This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
A theory is usually contrasted with fact, and as such, it is erroneously viewed as an idea formed from speculation. In science and psychology, however, a theory articulates principles of observed phenomena that have been validated to some extent. A theory's basic components are a set of assumptions and concepts related to each other that explain, describe, or predict a phenomenon. It is noteworthy that theories are never proven true. They are only verified by collecting relevant empirical data that supports the theory, and a strong theory is one supported by empirical data, while a weak theory lacks empirical evidence. A theorist is anyone who uses a theory or explains a theory. Therapists, for example, are theorists because they use theories to make sense of a client's distress and use theoretical principles to alleviate the distress. A theory is very important to a theorist for the following reasons. First, a theory organizes and summarizes knowledge. Principles, assumptions, and concepts are the building blocks of a theory and are usually related in such a way that they explain, describe, or predict a phenomenon. A good theory is both parsimonious and comprehensive, explaining, describing, or predicting a phenomenon with as few words as possible, hence acting as a summary presentation of knowledge. In addition, theories act as conceptual frameworks, thus organizing assumptions, explanations, and relationships in a meaningful model. In therapy, for example, a theory gives the therapist a means to make sense of a client's unhelpful behavior, possible reasons why the client developed the behavior, and ways the therapist can help the client change the behavior and consolidate the gains on termination of counseling. Secondly, theories act as languages in that they give a theorist a worldview or a way for them to analyze phenomena and make sense of them. In counseling, for example, the theoretical framework the therapist subscribes to determines how they approach a problem. The theoretical framework further influences how therapists handle clients during the counseling period and how they help the clients find solutions to their problems. In this sense, a theory can limit a theorist's ability to deal with a problem if they subscribe to only one theory, as one theory might prove insufficient to deal with the problem. On the other hand, problem-solving capacity is enhanced if a theorist is eclectic, as this gives the theorist several angles from which to approach a problem, combining theories if need be. The third reason theories are important to theorists is that theories beget knowledge. Research has its basis in theory, and good research is a source of theories that expand existing knowledge or bring forth new knowledge. A good theory can be disproven, and in doing so, a researcher sets out to test an antithesis to the thesis of the theory. Theory provides a platform on which a theorist makes a predictive hypothesis, and by collecting data to prove or disprove the hypothesis, the theory is either verified or disproved and altered to match the new evidence. This dialectic process refines existing knowledge and sometimes brings about new knowledge. In conclusion, it is reasonable to assert that theory is indispensable to a theorist for the three reasons discussed. Theory not only gives a theorist a means of making sense of knowledge, but also provides a summary of knowledge, a way to organize knowledge, and is a source of knowledge. Did you like this The Importance of Theory to a Theorist sample? To get more works like this one, make sure to check out the free database of academic paper examples at ivypanda.com. You will find thousands of samples for all your study needs, without even having to register.